Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Sui. We have some good news about Sui, so wanted to talk about that. And just in general, we've actually seen some developments that I quite like. I think the last time I covered Sui was 2 days ago, when we dropped down to this support level right here at $2.95 and $3, and we've spoken about that before. I mean, that's the crucial level that needs to hold, because if that level for Sui for 2.95 will not hold, you can see, and we demonstrated that the 3rd of February already, the next liquidity zone is around 2.4 and 2.2, which from the current price is a drop of about 30 to 35%. So that's not what we want. However, the good news is that Sui has been able to not only hold that level, but also hold it with a beautiful candle here, and it broke back above this level right here at 3.16. And if you go back in time and if you take a look at the structure which we are in, which is obviously a consolidation, a range, what you can see is that usually when we are able to break back above 3.17 and 3.16, we will get back up to the top of the range. All right, because just to show you a bit, after the drop we had the 2nd of February, we've mostly consolidated here in this region between 3.65 and 2.95. All right, so this is the range. In general, it's always wise to assume the range is going to hold. So also when we drop down the 18th of February, I did think it was most likely that Sui would hold support. I did not trade it, unfortunately. What I did trade is the breakout yesterday right here. Like when we broke above 3.16, I sent out a long signal and I personally bought Sui. Unfortunately, I closed it in the night at entry. The markets for me felt a bit too risky, and I'm not... I don't feel bad for closing it. I mean, it was a good decision at the moment. But unfortunately, I mean, some Signal Group members are actually still in. They stayed in, so they're in a nice profit right now. But ultimately, that doesn't change what's going on. We managed to get a successful reclaim right here. The volume for Sui is actually still relatively stable. Like, there's no massive volume increase. But that's also not necessary within a range. I mean, in a range, volume has to be spent defending the bottom, but if the bottom is defended, it's very often that with little to low volume, we'll actually get up to the top of the range. So that's what I expect. My main target right here is 3.5 and 3.55, and it's going to be very boring. I mean, when we get up to that level, do I think we have a chance to break out? Obviously, yes, we always have a chance to break out, and eventually this range is going to break. All right, so it's a matter of time before we will break. But if I take a look at Sui right now and I take a look at the TVL, the DEX trading volumes, I don't think the chances are too high that we can actually get this breakout. And then outside of that, the market is moving up, as you can see from Bitcoin right here. But the market as a whole is also losing volume, losing momentum, which are things you definitely need to break out. So for now, I would say it's most likely we'll actually get up to this level. But unless the circumstances change, I think it's also most likely that this level right here between 3.5 and 3.65 is a great short area again, to expect a drop back down into 3.15 and $3. And then from there, we'll see whether we can hold that again. Sui at this point in time is actually one of the most tradable cryptos out there, because it's just very beautifully respecting the range. And when we drop down right here, it was also expected that we would hold that, and I personally also traded that. So no, this is what I expect from for now. At some point of time, we will break out. If that breakout seems to be coming earlier than expected, I will let you know. I'll keep you updated. But for now, this is what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you all in my next videos. And bye.